What's good, GM gang? How y'all doing? How y'all feeling? Wanted to share something that I believe a lot of y'all would be interested in. So I'm gonna show y'all how to watch Netflix and YouTube on the iDrive screen, because this is a game changer and I want to help y'all take advantage of this technology. So this is what you would typically see on the Apple CarPlay interface. All right. There's previous videos out there that talks about screen mirroring your mobile device apps onto the iDrive screen, but that only works for Android devices. Apple CarPlay by itself does not allow for any sort of screen mirroring. That's where this device comes in. It's called the MMB box. Just Google MMB CarPlay and you'll see it. Look specifically for this device. Regardless as to whether you have an iPhone or an Android, this box will work. It is compatible for iDrive 6, 7, 8, 8.5, and 9. So safe to say, it covers most of the BMW community. And yeah, man, I'm gonna tell you, I've been using this and I love it. But I'm gonna let y'all see for yourself. Also, if you do not have BMW Wi-Fi, that is fine. Just use your mobile hotspot. All right, guys, so to get connected, take this cord that comes with it, plug this into the bottom of the device, and then you're gonna take this and you're gonna plug it into your outlet. And I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about. Then you're gonna take the other end and plug it into the outlet. Once it's plugged in, you'll see this red light. The red light just means that it's on. So if you haven't already done so, go ahead and turn on your Bluetooth. Look for Joybox. Don't worry about FB-F93. Just hit the one at the top. Then it's going to prompt you to pair. So go ahead and just follow those prompts. That's when you'll go into your mobile devices on your iDrive screen. Then you will need to scroll down to Joybox FB-F93. Yes, on the iDrive screen, it's FB-F93. Connect. Follow the prompts. And you're in. So now we are officially connected. Also, you can see that the light is not red anymore. So it just tells you that you're pretty much connected. That's how you know that you're connected. So on your main screen, you'll have Google Maps to the left and your saved apps to the right. If you scroll to the right, you'll see all these different apps. All right, you can see Netflix, you got Waze, of course, Hulu. So it's a lot. I even saw Disney. Yeah, you got Disney too. So you got a lot to choose from. YouTube, Google Chrome. You even got the Play Store, so you probably can download some more apps, but I'll let y'all experiment with that. I'm just here to teach y'all how to get on YouTube and Netflix. So before we continue, you're gonna need that Wi-Fi. It could be from your car, your phone, it doesn't matter. You just need some type of hotspot. Once you've turned on your hotspot, you will click on the Wi-Fi icon located on the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. All right, there's a close-up of it. Just click that. You'll see a menu come up, and I'm connected under iPhone 2. So as you can see, we're all set. So now that we got everything up and running, we're gonna try the Netflix app. You can just select your choice. Y'all know how Netflix works. So with YouTube, it's kind of weird. If you go to the app directly, you're gonna run to an error page, but there's a way around that. Just access it through Google Chrome. So once you've opened the tab, you're literally just typing in youtube.com. And as you all can see, we got YouTube. All right, so y'all good with that? And it's just really nice that you have access to these amenities while on a road trip or you going out of town. Like, it just gives you something to do besides just listening to podcasts and music. This is a game changer. And after you've been there for the first time, it'll show up under the search bar, allowing you to simply just click instead of having to type it in manually. All right, guys, so as you all can see, this is the YouTube homepage. And what I like to do is on the bottom right-hand corner, you'll see your own profile. You just click that, and that will bring you to your home page. Now, really, this is the best way to do it because you can simply go to your watch later and access an entire playlist. This is pretty much the safest way to do it. So just scroll down and you'll see your watch later. And once you click on it, you got an entire playlist of videos to watch. That way you ain't got to worry about it as you're driving, trying to find other videos after the previous one is ended. You click on the first video and it just continues playing in the loop. So that's the safest way to do it, guys, because after all, you are driving. So we're trying to keep this safe and simple. So once you got your playlist, you set. But check this out. I've yet to even put y'all on to the best part. You can do a split screen. You could have either Netflix or YouTube on one end and Google Maps or Waze on the other. So if you want that split screen, all you got to do is touch the screen with your fingers. You'll see a white circle. Touch the white circle. Select the second rectangular icon. And for me, Waze is the first thing that pops up because I use it all the time. And you just select it. Select Waze. And as you guys can see, you got a dual screen. So you can continue to navigate your way to a specific destination while also enjoying whatever video you're watching. All right, guys, so this is how everything looks in motion. As you can see, everything is working fine. This is how it looks with split screen. So now you got Waze and Netflix. Now, with any BMW, you do have to use Beamer code to get video in motion to work. Not sure how it works with other makes, but with BMW specifically, you would need Beamer code. But I mean, there's videos all over YouTube. I mean, it's just a matter of searching how to code in video in motion, and you'll see dozens of videos to guide you. But yeah, this definitely will take the edge off of long trips. Be sure to use this responsibly, and that's going to conclude today's video. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and I will see you all in the next upload. Peace.